Eating fermented foods is great for your microbiome, but did you know that fermented foods are also great in your skincare? Here at Tatcha, we have a double fermented superfood complex called Hottest 3. It's made of uji green tea, akita rice, and okinawa algae, which are 3 superfoods core to the Japanese diet. Fermenting these ingredients helps strengthen your skin's natural moisture barrier and overall rejuvenation processes. By double fermenting, we're really preserving the potency of these ingredients as well as increasing the efficacy. So the next time you eat fermented foods, remember to also apply it to your skin.